In this video, I will show with you step by step how to book a flight ticket in China Eastern. So to book flight ticket, go to Google, search for China Eastern flight. This is the keyword. Click this first website. You will see this page. From this page, choose the location you want to book a ticket from to. Choose the date or this one. Click the search. After that, you will redirect it to the search page from here. Got it? You have this, you have all the data available. For example, you want to buy this ticket, click this one. You will redirect it to this page. Just click book. This is paid refund. You have the baggage and 20 kilograms. And then click book. After that, you will see this page. This page for log in your account with accounts, password, and email. After logging your accounts with your all details, book this ticket successfully without any problem. Just choose any date you want to book, for example, this one, and then click book. And then log in your accounts with your own information here. Basically, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video.